Hey everybody, how's it going? All right, today I'm gonna talk about parking assistant or Parktronic in your Mercedes. For this video, I'm gonna use the C63 Cabriolet for the example. All right, let's get started. All right, so what you do, you're looking for a parking spot. You will come over here, hit your parking button as you drive. You can be in drive, hit that. You'll see this park up on the screen. And what this is the car is searching for a parking space. So I'm looking for parking spaces. And the car will tell you basically when it gets sized into a space. So once it finds a space, it'll tell you if the car can fit or not. So it chimed, it can fit here by parallel. You can see there's a sign right there, it said parallel. Or I can do perpendicular park, then a parallel spot, then a perpendicular. Okay. Right there, 2 spaces, it says. So I want this one. So I'm gonna select confirm using this key here. I'm just going to press down on there. It says, do you want to do forward parking or reverse parking? So if it does forward, it's going to do that, back up, and then shift into drive and pull forward. Let's do reverse parking for this example. Hit reverse. I'm not changing anything with the gear selector. It says engage reverse gear. Reverse is selected. Now is active. I'll click with the brake. The car is going to start driving in on its own. I'm not chasing anything. I'm not touching the brake. I'm not touching the steering wheel. I'm not touching reverse or drive gear. The car is going to show me where it's going to stop. And it parks itself. That's all it did. Okay. It puts itself in park. Now, let's show how to do the reverse and what it does. First base. Okay. Let's try it again. I'm gonna select this one again. This time I'm not getting the option. It's just going to go ahead and say the best way to do it is to back up and select. So it says engage reverse gear. Go ahead and select reverse gear. I didn't like that swing it's gonna do. Let's come out here. All right, here we go. Let's come back in. All right, in reverse. Let's see how it's gonna swing. It gets really close, but a lot of trust you have to put into this. Puts the turn signal on, it's going to shift into drive. It's pulling forward on its own, and it's lining itself up into the space. The red line is showing you where it's going to stop, and I'm going to stop it here. Actually, it stopped itself right there, perfect, and put itself into park. And that's parking assist. And that's Parktronic in your Mercedes. I'm sure the different makes or settings might be vary, but that's actually what you kind of would expect.